Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix a flat on your own. So right now I walked out of work and I'm noticing that I have a flat, and you just need basic tools, which is a tire plug kit, a flathead screwdriver, some pliers, and if needed, a hammer, an air compressor, and just basic tools. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use the pliers. Any type of pliers will do. I just happen to have these ones in my car, and all you're gonna have to do is try to grab that bolt and wiggle it out of there. Just like that. You're gonna see and hear all the air. Make sure you discard this properly so you won't get another flat on your own. And here's what's next. So we're gonna go ahead and open this tire repair kit. It's going with this little pliers that is gonna grab your plug, the rimmer. The rimmer is just to work your way into the tire so it can be like an even puncture, and it will create a better seal. Some pliers that are also included in the kit, your rubber cement, and some plugs. So now what we're going to do is you're gonna grab your pliers, you're gonna try to grab one of these plugs, and with your flathead screwdriver you're gonna try to open it up. You're gonna put your plug halfway, just like this. You're gonna close it with your pliers. You're gonna open up your cement. And this is just myself, but I try to put cement all over the place, all over the plug, just so you can make the best seal as possible. Okay. Then we're gonna come to our flat tire. You're gonna, oh, hold on. First, you're gonna use the rimmer. You see that hole right there? You're gonna go with your rimmer. Straight action, using circular motion. You're gonna giggle your way in. Just like that. And then you're gonna go back and forth. You're gonna go in with your plug. You're gonna push in. Like that, it's in. Then you pull out, and the plug stays in there. And just to make it even better, a better seal, we're gonna go ahead and put even more rubber cement, just a little bit around the plug. Let it sit for 5 minutes or so, just to let it dry out. And all you need to do is use your air compressor and fill it up with air. So now guys, all you have to do is turn on your air compressor, and I'll show you guys a video later on this wonderful compressor. I'm not a sponsor or anything like that by Air, but I had this compressor for some months already, and it's been quite a great compressor. Basically, it connects directly into your battery, and you have your own air supply. And as you can see, there's no air leaks. The tire is inflating. And I definitely like this option because you can fix your own flats anywhere you are. Right now I'm outside of work. It's Sunday night. There's no tire shops available right now, and I'm just fixing my own flat, and I'm ready to go home. Here you can see how rapid this compressor works by the pressure going up. I'm already at 20 psi in just about over a minute. So there you have it, guys. I'm already at that 35, 37 psi. Ready to turn it off. And check it out. There's no bubbling or anything like that. Tires inflated. Ready to go home. I'll show you guys definitely a video how to use that Air compressor and how wonderful it is. I'll time it for you so you can see how fast it inflates your tires with just your own battery. Thank you for checking this video out. If you like it, thumbs up. Thank you.